Assalamu alaikum. This is Mahmuda Akter, student of College of Nursing at 𝐂𝐵𝐻𝐺, Dhaka. I am studying in BSc in Nursing first year. Well, now I am going to tell about my daily routine. In the morning, when the sun rises in the sky, it looks at me, it breaks my dream, then I wake up. It's around 6:30. I get up from my bed and go to the washroom. I always brush my teeth as soon as I wake up. And then I freshen up myself and I take my breakfast. I always have a cup of tea after taking my breakfast. Actually, I cannot complete my breakfast without taking tea. Okay, then I dress up and start for college with my father. Unfortunately, I always late to attain in the first class. My class start at 8. It is 2:30. All classes are done and I come back to the house around 3:30 p.m. Then I come back home, I get fresh and for a very short time I take some rest. Then to perform ablution, I take my asr salat. It is 4:30. I go to the coaching to teach my dearest students. And after completing all of my coaching and tuitions, I come back home around 8:30. Then I take my Isha Salat. Finally, I take some free time, so I watch TV or browsing internet and so on. It is 9:30. I go to my reading table and study for a while. Then I get up from my study table to go to eat my dinner. Then it's 11:30. I go to my bed and fall asleep. Okay, thank you so much for thank you so much to give your valuable time to watch my daily schedule so patiently. Thank you.